Dzień dobry everyone, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make potato pancakes. First, you want to gather and peel your potatoes. There should be about 4 potatoes. Then, you want to grab a grater and grate the potatoes. Next, you add the potatoes into the food processor. Close the top and press the on button. Meanwhile, take an onion, peel it, and cut it into fourths. Add the fourths into the food processor. Add an egg into the potatoes to make them bind together. Also add a couple scoops of flour. Add some salt and pepper for some flavor. Blend everything together. Then you want to turn the stove on and add some oil. Preferably I chose avocado oil. Mix the potatoes and scoop them onto the pan. You should shape them into little miniature pancakes. Put them onto the heat and let them sizzle for a couple of minutes. After a couple minutes, check in on them and make sure they are golden brown. If they're not, switch them back. After a couple minutes, enjoy. Smacznego.